Trades here, and today I'm going to be reviewing AUXITO LED fog lights. These specific ones are the PSX24s, and they replace the fog lights on my Subaru Impreza, and they have other models of fog lights. I've reviewed about 4 different types of lights between headlights, fog lights. I've had 0 issues over the past couple months with the different types of headlights and fog lights and other LED lights that I've used from AUXITO. They make some really great products, and you can check out a link in the description to purchase them. Each model car is a little bit different with how you change out the fog lights. My car has 2 plastic clips and a 10mm bolt to access them, and then they just plug right in. They're plug and play, and that's all you need to do to get them to work in your car. I'm going to show you what the difference is between the LED lights and the halogen lights, with what they shine like and what they look like. These ones are much whiter than the yellow stock one. It gives you a much more modern look, and they light up the road very well down low, which is what you want in a fog light. And here's a side-by-side for my dash cam. On the left you can see the stock halogens, which are a little bit yellow down towards the bottom, and on the right is the AUXITO LED fog lights. And my headlights are on in this, so it's the headlights and the fog light. If you look down towards the edges, you can see how the LED lights up a lot more the lower portion of the road. So these project really well out towards the bottom and off to the side. And again, if you'd like to purchase these, you can check the link in the description.